Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this first method guys, you have to come www.gigabyte.com. This is the official website, so you can download Gigabyte any devices driver. So in this here you can see this is search button, and on click on that and just right click to enter your model number which is you require the device B850M focus force, and then hit enter. Click on product and click on title of model number motherboard. So this is your motherboard. Just click on the support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required Windows 10 and 11. So if any, I am making video on Windows 11. So if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver because the installation process is same. LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver. I click to download. It is downloading. Wait for complete. Then open LAN driver. So this is exe, just double click to launch. Then click yes. Now this is extracting. So it is close. Let me install it.